Hey peeps, it's Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're going to be having a look at a Natural Sciences Life and Living Grade 9 question taken from the ECE November 2013 question paper. So let's dive straight in. We're going to look at question 1.3 of that question paper, which asks the byproducts of respiration are what? So first of all, we know that respiration is the process in which food is converted to energy by living cells. Okay, so for that process to occur, carbohydrates and oxygen are converted to carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Okay, energy released in the form of ATP or adenosine triphosphate. Okay, so with that in mind, we know that the answer cannot be A because oxygen and carbohydrates are actually inputs to the reaction of respiration, not byproducts. In the same way, the answer cannot be B because glucose is not a byproduct of respiration. The answer is not C because carbon dioxide is a byproduct, but oxygen is not. Oxygen is required for the process. Therefore, considering that, we know therefore that the answer is D. Byproducts of respiration are carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Okay, so that's that for question 1.3. But before I go, I'd like to say a special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them in the description below. And head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.